Hi everyone and welcome to the Mushroom Den. So I wanted to bring you guys another side dish that you can add to your holiday table, and this is my very fancy full of flavor stuffing recipe. So to make our stuffing, we're going to need some regular white bread, preferably at least a day old. So I've already cubed mine and I'm going to pour them on a very large baking tray lined with some parchment paper. Just make sure the pieces are not overlapping too much, and pop them in the oven at 350 for about 15 minutes. While our bread is baking, let's go ahead and make our various garnishment, starting with the mushrooms. Here's just a mixture of white and cremini mushrooms. Then add some more. Continue to saute them until they completely shrink in size. Then add some salt and pepper and set them aside. On the same skillet, add some olive oil, some shallots, garlic, celery, and a good assortment of herbs, starting with rosemary, parsley, thyme, and sage. Stir until the onions and celeries are cooked. Then add some chopped pecans. Give them a stir. Then add some salt and pepper. And again set them aside. So that's it for the garnishment. Now we need to make a nice broth. And to the same skillet, I'm going to add some Chardonnay white wine, a bit of vegan butter, some veggie broth, veggie stock, some pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Mix everything well to make sure the seasoning are well incorporated. Let everything simmer for about a minute or so and it's ready. Now in a large mixing bowl, add in the toasted bread, followed by our garnishment. Here I'm going for the mushrooms, the sauteed pecans, and some lower sugar dried cranberries, and finally our broth. Mix everything up gently, making sure the bread is absorbing the broth, but at the same time being careful not to mash it. So just don't overmix it. Once you're done mixing, go ahead and pour everything in a baking dish. Cover the dish with aluminum foil. Then pop this in the oven at 350 for about 40 minutes. And this is what it looks like when it's out. I'm topping the dish with some parsley. And it's time to taste. I love the mix of texture. The bread is soft but with some crunchiness to it. You also get a good crunch from the pecans. It's very savory with a touch of sweetness from the cranberries. I made this for Thanksgiving and it was done within minutes. Alright, I hope you give this recipe a try. If you do, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. If you liked the video, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. And on to the next video. As always, have a blessed one.